This space here at Nation of Hawaiʻi is a place where we want to start to curate our students their first opportunities to be engaged in reshaping ahupuaʻa systems. What happens when they first come and put their hands in the soil? Well, I guess the easiest metaphor I have is a baptism.
I hope they have a deep connection with the ʻāina and have a true experience of where they're from.
It's wonderful to see so many student leaders coming out today.
I learned that the kalo need to be separated when they're planting.
I learned that the Hawaiian people took back their land.
I learned that our ancestors were standing where we are right now.
If we take care of kalo, to continue to take care of us in the future. And so it's really important for them to learn like where kalo comes from, how to continue planting it, and then how they as students should like really care about not just kalo, but like our ecosystems like here in Nation of Hawaiʻi.
I've noticed that my students are really enjoying it. A lot of them are so excited to be getting into the mud and getting muddy and to just be a part of something that's even bigger than themselves.
To see actually the kids right now hands-on is beautiful work.
I think I really got to see the students shine in a way that you don't normally get to see in a classroom. What I got to see here was our students interacting with the ʻāina, being responsible for the ʻāina, and then the way that they treated strangers that were instructing them in such a respectful and appreciative way. Bringing our students out to ʻāina helps them experience that level of success in an environment that maybe they appreciate a lot more explicitly.
One thing I learned today was you need to plant the smaller kalo in the sun so they can grow better than the bigger ones, because the bigger ones are just going to take up most of the sun.
I'm really hopeful for our teachers as well to see that this is something that is attainable. This idea of taking our students out of the classroom, and while it can be a little scary, we get a chance to see them interacting with each other in a different space.
I hope that they take away what we do here in ʻāina, like the experience it is to get out of a classroom, the four walls, and get your hands dirty.
All the students today had a lot of fun and were able to express themselves in ways that they weren't able to just in a classroom.
It feels like I'm doing something good.
Aloha, my name is Lealoha Makamai Lamking.
My name is Miki Yamamoto.
My name is Trevor Hall.
My name is Mahia. My name is Braylene.
My name is Delia.
I'm David Elliott.
My name is Kali'i Maikalani Frank.
Today was really successful.